Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to give you a short but effective guide to glowing skin. And yes, sometimes we do everything but our skin still remain dull and we wonder why it is happening to us. But there are reasons, many reasons, and I am not going to repeat those common mistakes like not using SPF, then washing your face for too many times and with alkaline cleansers, then falling a victim to disaster DIY skincare. Then it can be genetics, your lifestyle, food habits. These are the common things and I have spoken about this many times. So today I have dug deeper into this rabbit hole and I came up with these 5 points and I'm going to share this with you right now. And the first would be that we underestimate the power of moisturizer. Dry skin will eventually lead to dull skin. So please moisturize every day, and there are people who don't like moisturizers. I know they say like they use moisturizer then their face look dull. I understand that can happen when you're not using the correct moisturizer that suits your skin. So it is very important for you to find the correct moisturizer that will suit your skin, that will do wonders to your skin, because I have recommended this Cipla Alexa XL moisturizer and many people didn't like it because they thought that was making their skin patchy, but for me it works fine and for many people it works fine. Like I always say, skincare is very subjective. There are many people who like matte moisturizer, like mattifying moisturizers that give this instant matte effect. I'm not a big fan of those moisturizers, to be very honest, because the ingredients are questionable first, and mostly they use this zinc oxide and that give this tone of look, and there are people who like that, they want this from their skincare. But skincare is not short-term investment. It is not about covering your issues, it is about working on your issue. This is a long-time investment. That's why it is different from makeup. So please aim for the long-term result and moisturize every day, every season, and for all the good reasons. So second tip would be trusting your skincare brand way too much, because there are people who just see there is one product that says it's gonna brighten up your skin, it's gonna make your skin glow, but they don't see the ingredients before buying that product. See, I can sell one clay mask just with kaolin clay and I can label this as a product that can make your skin glow. Actually, I can claim almost anything on the product level, but will the product is going to deliver that to your skin? It comes down to formulation and ingredients. So please get educated about the ingredients. And my favorite ingredient for glowing skin is niacinamide. If you know me, I love niacinamide. My skin loves niacinamide. But there are other ingredients that can help you as well, like licorice root extract, vitamin C, retinoid, azelaic acid, arbutin, kojic D-permeate, coenzyme Q10. There are many good ingredients, and for my skin fermented ingredients work really well. But if you have fungal acne, then it may be a trigger. Look for the ingredients and look for the good formulation. Just don't get blinded by the claims a brand makes. Number 3 would be over exfoliating or under exfoliating. So exfoliation can be a key to glowing skin, and for me, my skin never looked better. I started using mandelic acid, then I used this AHA, then BHA, PHA, other variants, and my skin was better, and it is better right now, and I am so thankful to chemical exfoliants. They work really well on my skin, but I don't overdo it and I don't underdo it. I use AHA twice in a week or sometimes one time, and BHA only one time in a week. If my skin is breaking out, then I use BHA more frequently, and choose what your skin likes. And there are many people, they cannot use chemical exfoliants. Their skin just don't like that. So go for physical exfoliation. Don't go for those very harsh exfoliants. They can do very bad. They can just ruin your skin. So be very gentle. Do it just once or twice in a week. So number 4 would be the peach fuzz. I started shaving my face like long time back, and when I shave my face, I can see it. My face looks brighter and glowing, and it works very well for my skin, and I have made a video about how I shave my face. I'm going to leave the link down below. But there are people who cannot do shaving. They shave, their skin break out. So do a patch test. If your skin doesn't react well to shaving, don't do that. But for me it does a good job, and I can see my face feels more glowing and healthy. But don't overdo it. I don't recommend shaving like every 7 days or every day, something like that. Do it once or twice in a month, because you are exfoliating your skin as well when you are shaving. So if you shave your skin like every day or every other day, you're gonna over exfoliate your skin. And if you use like AHA, BHA or physical scrubs, then you're definitely gonna over exfoliate. So yes, if you're looking for glowing skin, then shaving might help, but with caution. So number 5 would be pollution, and it can do so much damage to our skin. Pollution, dirt, dust, then free radicals, they can damage our skin like anything. So how to avoid that? Because we're gonna go out, right? We cannot stop living our life for our skin. So we can use skin soothing ingredients. Cica creams are really good, and wash your face in the evening very gently and wash it well. For this winter I'm using micellar water as first cleanser and a cream cleanser as the second cleanser. Another thing I have been telling you for a long time, that check the pH of your tap water, because where I stay the tap water is very alkaline. The pH is like somewhat 9 and 10. It can vary from place to place, so check the pH of your tap water. And small things matter and count, and make a good effective skincare routine. I hope you get glowing skin that you want, and you're beautiful. Know this, you're always beautiful. But sometimes we need more. I know this, because we see all these beauty standards everywhere and nothing is good enough. But don't aim for that glowing skin from Instagram, because they use filter a lot. Insta is full of filter, like TikTok is not there anymore, but now they have this reels on Insta, and I see they have lots of filters over there. So don't set your standards according to that, because our skin is not going to look like filter. We are human beings. We are going to have flaws, which is okay, which makes us human. And honestly, those filters, they look kind of plastic to me. And even I'm using this lens right now for the shooting, that's why my skin looks better than I think it is. So please don't get fooled by all these things like lights, filters. This actually can alter the reality. So please don't get like a victim of all these false standards, and just know you're beautiful. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope that you found this video really helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, and see you very soon. Bye bye.